everyone, welcome back to You and I Can Cook. Today I am going to show you how to prepare a delicious prawn and potato curry using coconut and other masalas. It's a mild and creamy curry. You can adjust the spice by adding more chilies if you want. Also adjust the consistency of the curry if required by adding more water. You can serve this dish with boiled rice, chapatis, dosa, etc. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links for which are provided below. Thanks for watching. Put a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use either ghee or any cooking oil. Add 1 sliced onion. And saute the onion till it turns golden brown. Onion has turned brown. Now I will add the masala. Fry the masala for 2 minutes. I will now add the water from the blender after grinding the masala. Make it a thick gravy. Add some salt. Add the potatoes. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Now add the marinated prawns to the curry. Cover and cook for another 10 minutes or till the prawns are done. Add a little bit of salt. And it's done. I will now turn off the flame and plate the dish.